Right, so we already got a app like this, so we can click and add a lot of data. But right now, I want to like swipe delete. I want to add that because right now there is no way to delete data, and I don't want that. So in order to do that, pretty simple. First, you need to find the data, which will be for each. Okay, so basically for each start here and here, and we can add a modifier. So basically I want to say a dot and on delete. So we're going to perform a specific option index and return a void. Yeah, basically just a function. And I'm going to say delete. Delete, we're going to things to do. Okay, delete, maybe just delete things. Okay, right now it will just give me error. That's normal because we haven't write that yet. And let's go back down below to actually add sample data, starting here, and I believe it's end here. So we can add another function. Yeah, I believe I can write that using Visual Studio Code. Okay, add sample data, content v. Yeah, here. Add sample data. So here, function delete things. Yeah, that's pretty good. Did I update the on delete? Yeah, delete things. That's good. So delete things on add offsets for index delete. Okay, I'm going to write this myself. Okay. So func delete things, and I'm going to just as placeholder index set and index for every index in the index set. So just loop it. Okay, and deletes the things to learn a specific index, and yeah, just get that index and then delete that. Yeah, that's good. I can accept that. Okay, and I believe that's it. We can actually run this. So let's run this, replace. Oh, don't need to show that again. So if you use 3 fingers on a touchpad, and you can just delete it. That's good. Core data. Okay, that's good. Swift UI delete. Yeah, that's pretty good. Also, you can got the basic 2 functionality working. One is for adding data, just adding a bunch of data. You can just click delete, or if you swipe like hard enough, you can just simply swipe it down. That's pretty good. And what is more, if you get out of here, okay, you exit this and you enter, I believe still the data will exist. So it's kind of persistent exist. Okay, it's pretty cool. So yeah, pretty good. And yeah, so in next video we're going to add all other functionality.